All right, so here is the front view of the building. Here's the front view. Okay, because of what I've not been able to go to that side, but I'll just try zoom up and see what I can give to you. All right, so here it is. See the gutter. Check this one out, man. Who they stop now? You cannot compete with us. Prime Global Aluminium Marfi Company Limited. We are the best. Absolutely the best in what we do. We are just the best. Well, walk. Correct guy. All right, hi, hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you. Welcome again to Prime Global Aluminium Marfi Company, and my name is Moses Bright, your humble CEO, as you know. Yesterday I made a video of this project, and we worked earnestly, but we had to stop due to the rainfall. It was really heavy that we were unable to finish it. So today now I just came on my own personally, and I had to do maintenance and finishing of every other place that is remaining. So here is the job. Here is the final result of the work that we have done. See, here is the final result. This is the front view of it. I will take it to the back side and make sure you see every part of it. But You know, yesterday I also showed you a place that because this place is kind of a riverine area, and we really can't move around the whole part of the building. But I will try as much as possible to show you what I can show you. From only this that you have seen now, you can testify and confirm a good result of everything that we did. Here is it. Check out this part of the building that is kind of a curved design. Look at what we did here. You see? All right. Okay. Let me take a closer view. Okay. Now let's go. So guys, once again, I really want to apologize to everybody, especially those that have contacted us on recent times. We haven't been able to reach out to everyone because at a certain time, just recently also, I lost my phones, and it was really difficult for me communicating. I was even kind of trying to reach up the line, which is the phone. If maybe the person that found it can probably return it to us, but no result. So we had to take some time to work it out, to sort it out as soon as possible. So right now, I want to say that we are back online, and we are working now. So please, sorry for delay, sorry for late response and all that. Now we are working fully. So back to what I was showing you. This is it. This is the back side, back view. Back view. Let me try and get sometimes. Okay. Yeah, it is. So this is the back view. Check it out. Check it out. Look at it. See? This is it. This is the back side of the building. I'll try and reach out to the front area of it. So this is the back view. Wow. For your project, please don't keep it to yourself. Reach out to us. Prime Global Aluminium and Roofing Company Limited. We are on all social media platforms, trendy social media platform that you know, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Telegram. You can also see us there. So please, any platform that you know that maybe it's your favorite, because each individual have their own favorite platform, you can simply reach us via any platform that you think you are comfortable with. And also please follow and subscribe to our channels. Follow and subscribe to our page. If it is on TikTok, follow. If it's on Instagram, follow. Facebook, follow. Like our videos, share to others, share the videos and everything. And also, if you are on YouTube, if you watch mainly on YouTube, like you follow us on YouTube, please subscribe to our channel. Subscribe to our channel so that we can reach out to more people.